Good morning. My name is John Eddie Rodriguez. I belong to 53036 408. My instructor Geraldine Jimenez. Audio about attitudes, beliefs, and obligations in the work and academic context. Development, in my opinion, attitudes are very important both in the academic and work fields. Having a positive attitude helps you meet your goals, work as team, and solve the problems efficiently. I believe that responsibility, respect, and honesty are fundamental values to success. I also believe that discipline is necessary to fulfill your tasks and commitments in the academic context. It is necessary to attend classes, participate actively, and deliver the activities on time. Students must be responsible with their learning process and strive to improve every day. In the work context, it is important to comply with the established schedules, respect co-workers, and follow the company's rules. In addition, we must maintain adequate communication and work-wide commitment to achieve organizational objectives. I think that all these obligations contribute to the personal and professional growth of each person. With we act with responsibility and commitment, we generate trust and obtain better results. Conclusion. Finally, consider that good attitudes, positive belief, and the fulfillment of your obligation are essential elements for academic and work success. We must strive every day to be better people and professionals. Thank you very much for your attention.